Step 1. Change the billing method on the student's profile to package. Go to Students, Students, and click on the edit icon next to the relevant student. Scroll down to their billing details section and select the package option. The second step is to create a service for the package. If you want to bill your clients for packages and for individual lessons, it's best to add a separate service exclusively for packages. Step 3. Create a new invoice and select the package option. Step 4. Select the relevant service for the package. Packages are tracked by the service, so select the same service on the invoice that you will select when scheduling the lessons. Step 5. Complete the other fields. You can track packages by lesson or by hour by setting this on your account settings page. Step 6 is to approve the invoice. In order for the package to be added to the client's account, the invoice must first be approved. To view your client's package balances, click the billing option in the navigation menu and then click on the package balances option. All of your client's package balances are displayed in this table. As lessons are scheduled and attended, the package balance will decline. The scheduled column shows the number of package lessons or hours that have been scheduled with the same service selected. The used column shows the number of package lessons or hours that have been marked as attended in the calendar. If you would like to count missed lessons as used, you can enable this option in your account settings under the package settings section.